Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music.
I need a job, so I wanna be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial. In this one, I'm going to teach you an easy song by the Beatles that requires that you only know one easy riff and two chords. Paperback Writer. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E, and the key of the song is G major. In fact, the only two chords we'll need to know are a G chord and a C chord. First, let's learn that riff. Here's the riff we need to learn. To start our riff, we're going to go to the 3rd fret, and we're going to kind of bar that fret because we'll need to play the E string, the A string, and the D string on that fret. We're going to play the low E string, and then we're going to play the A string hammering on from fret 3 to fret 5 like this. So you've got to learn how to do that. Play that note, and then use the ring finger to lay down on that A string, like that. Then we'll have to go to the D string, fret 5, back to the E string, fret 3, the D string, fret 3, the E string, fret 3, A string, fret 3. We'll go back to the low E string at fret 3 one more time. Then we'll hammer on again from fret 3 to fret 5 on the A string. Our last note will be the D string, fret 3. So we're hitting this 3rd fret on the low E string quite a bit. So let's do that again. We're going to start on the low E string, fret 3, the A string hammering from fret 3 to 5, the D string, fret 5, back to the low E string, fret 3 on the D string, the E string again, 3rd fret, A string, fret 3, the low E string, hammer from fret 3 to 5 on the A string, and then fret 3 on the D string. So I believe that with a little practice, you can do that. Now we'll go to the chords. For the chords, we're just going to strum a G chord. Just like that. The strumming pattern is down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, start singing harmonies, which I can't do. Anyway, all we did was we played a G chord and we went to a C chord. Back to a G, banged on it twice. And that's our song. Dear sir, madam, would you read my book? It took me years to write. Would you take a look? It's based on a novel by a man named Riff, and I need a job, so I wanna be a paperback writer. Paperback writer. With a little work, you can surely play that one. That's Paperback Writer by the Beatles on guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.